Okay, please get out your phonics pages for Thursday, April 9th. And it is page 181 and 182. Once you have your phonics page out, go ahead, write your name at the top. And let's start on page 181. At the top of 181, it says, match each picture to the sound you hear in its name. So here we have some of those digraphs that we talked about where two letters make one sound. Here we have three letters, and they've just kind of thrown in the R, but we really have that digraph there, and that's what we need to focus on. Okay, so the first digraph we have is SH. SH says shh. So if I'm looking at these pictures, I have to determine which one has that sh sound. Well, I know that shell starts with that SH sound. The next sound I have is CH. CH says ch, ch, like in church, or also like in chick, chick. Here I have the digraph TH, but they've thrown an R at the end of it. So I have thur, thur, like in three. And then last I have the TH sound again. This time it says th, th, like in thumb. Remember, TH can say th or z. It has two different sounds. One is almost silent, okay? So in the middle here, we're going to work with some blends. We have SL, SP, SQU, and remember the rule with Q? You'll never find a Q without a U. And then we have SW. So SL says sl, SP says sp, SQU says squ, and SW says sw. In each of those, these are blends because you still hear both consonants sounds, okay? So slippers begins with the SL sound, sl, sl. Swing begins with sw, sw. That's the SW. Spoon begins with a sp, like in SP. And squirrel begins with SQ. All right, moving along. At the bottom, we have some more blends. These are all L blends. The first one is GL, and it says gl. Then we have BL that says bl, and PL that says pl, and FL that says fl. So the first picture is a block. Block has the bl sound. Bl, like BL. Glove has the gl sound. GL. Flashlight has the fl sound, FL, and plate has the PL sound, pl. All right, going to page 182. Let's look at the top of 182. It says, write the word that completes the sentence. So they've given us a picture and a sentence, and then a little box beneath it with two different words, and I have to pick which word finishes the sentence best. So, Sue had fun on the, well, what's she having fun on? She's having fun on a slide. So slide has that long I sound. I know I'm going to need to find a word with two vowels. This one only has one vowel, and that's a short I sound. Slick. She's not having fun on the slick. She's having fun on the sl. I'd. So slide is my word. S-L-I-D-E. Slide. Sue had fun on the slide. Here I have some peas. So let's read the sentence. We will blank peas here. So here are my two choices. I have plate. We will plate peas here. I don't know, that doesn't sound very good to me. So let's try this one. Only one vowel here. It's a short sound. Plant. We will plant peas here. That makes more sense. Let's write the word plant. P-L-A-N-T. T. We will plant peas here. Okay, last one. Brent gave the blank to Jan. So what's he giving her? Oh, it looks like he's giving her some grapes. Grapes has a long A sound, so I need to look for a word that has two vowels. This one only has one. This word is grab. He didn't give the grab to her, he gave her the grapes. This one has that long A sound I'm looking for, grapes. G R A P E S. All right, so at the bottom here, they're asking me to circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. I'm not going to circle the special sounds, I'm just going to mark the vowels. Okay, so this first word, I have an I and the magic E, pile. In this word, I only have a U, plum. Here I only have an I, is. Only an A, add. Only an A, app. Here there's only an I, im. This one only has one vowel, ot. Again, only one vowel, tom. Here, this one only has one vowel, up, crop. Down here, this word has two vowels. It has an E followed by an A, clean. Here's another one with two vowels, the magic E, eight. Only one vowel here, black, black. Two vowels in this word, the A gets the line, the E gets crossed out, aid. And the last one, only that O, and this word is lock. All right, very good. Make sure that you have all your work completed, and then you can put your phonics work away. Thank you.